Mother Goddess Gayatri is considered as a mother of Hindu Indian culture. Goddess Gayatri is believed to be the originator of the four Vedas. Therefore, the Gayatri mantra is considered as the essence of all four Vedas. One can attain the virtue of knowledge of all four Vedas just by understanding the Gayatri mantra. Come, let us know who is Goddess Gayatri. The four Vedas, Shastras, and Shrutis are all believed to have originated from Goddess Gayatri. She is called Ved Mata due to the origin of Vedas, and she is also considered to be the adorable of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, the three deities, hence also called Dev Mata. Goddess Gayatri is considered as the goddess of knowledge, second wife of Lord Brahma. Goddess Gayatri is also known to be the incarnation of Goddess Parvati, Goddess Saraswati, and Goddess Lakshmi. It is believed that Gayatri Mantra appeared on Brahmaji at the beginning of the universe. With the grace of Mother Gayatri, Brahmaji interpreted the Gayatri Mantra as four Vedas with his four heads. Initially, the glory of Gayatri Mantra was limited to the gods only. But just as Bhagirath brought goddess Ganga from heaven to the earth with severe penance, similarly Vishwamitra also, with his hard meditation, did spread the glory of Gayatri Mantra to the general public. It is said that once Lord Brahma was attending a yajna, but his wife was not there at that time. It is believed that if the wife is also participating in the religious work, then you definitely get the fruit of that religious work. Hence, for this reason, Lord Brahma married goddess Gayatri, who was present there at that time. After that, a special class started worshipping goddess Gayatri. Many things have been said in the glory of Goddess Gayatri, from sages of ancient India to thinkers of modern India. Vedas, scriptures, and Purans sing the glory of Goddess Gayatri. In Atharva Veda, Mother Gayatri is said to be the goddess who imparts age, life, strength, fame, wealth, and Brahma Tej. Ved Vyas, the author of Mahabharata, says in the glory of Goddess Gayatri that similar to the essence of honey in flowers, essence of ghee in milk, the essence of all Vedas is Gayatri. If Goddess Gayatri is worshipped, then she will fulfill all the desires of the mankind, similar to Kamadhenu, divine cow, who fulfills all the desires. Just as Ganga washes away the sins of the body, cleanses the body and mind, similarly the soul becomes pure from meditating the goddess Gayatri mantra. Vishwamitra, who spread goddess Gayatri mantra to the general public, says that Brahmaji has extracted the essence of the three Vedas in the Gayatri mantra. There is no sacred mantra other than Gayatri mantra. A person who chants Gayatri mantra regularly gets rid of all the sins. Gayatri Mahamantra is an important mantra of the Vedas, whose importance is considered to be almost equal to that of the mantra Om. It is composed of a combination of the verses of the Yajur Veda, Om, Bhurbhuva Swaha, and the Rig Veda. Savitra Dev is worshipped in this mantra, hence it is also called Savitri. It is believed that by chanting and understanding this mantra, one attains God. It is also worshipped in the feminine form of Sri Gayatri Devi. Maharshi Vishwamitra composed it. Gayatri is also a verse which is one of the 7 famous verses of the Rig Veda. The names of these 7 verses are Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtupa, Brahati, Virat, Trishtupa, and Jagati. Gayatri verse has 3 stages of 8 letters each. Among the mantras of the Rig Veda, the highest number of Gayatri verses are there except Trishtupa. Gayatri has 3 pada, hence Tripada Ve Gayatri. Therefore, when the symbol of creation was conceived in the form of verses or speech, then this world was considered as the form of Tripada Gayatri. When the symbolic interpretation of life began to happen in the form of Gayatri, then a special mantra was composed according to the increasing importance of Gayatri verses, which are as follows. The Gayatri mantra is chanted 3 times in a day. First time before the sunrise, second time in the afternoon, and the third time in the evening after sunset. Goddess Gayatri changes her age 3 times in a day. In the morning, her form is that of a small girl. In the afternoon, she changes her form to a young woman. And in the evening, she changes her form to an old lady. Goddess sits on a swan when she is in a virgin state. She rides on Garud when she is in the youth state. She sits in Taurus in the old age. There are many ways to recite mantras. The Gayatri mantra should be read in a slow voice or silently. This mantra can also be chanted mentally. This gives full benefit of the mantra.